Hello guys, Mr. Zabis here. The last time I ran the Lara demo application, I had a small problem. So let me show you. So let's start it again. Okay, it's already running. So Docker PS, yeah, so running. And if I try to access it, I go to Lara demo. And as you can see, it's trying to load, but no success here. So if I check quickly the journal follow, so you can see, yeah, and still they continue coming these rejections from the firewall. Okay, so and this is happening because if I quickly check IP address, so I have the interfaces, as you can see here, like the default one for the Docker, and there is another one like a bridge for the project. Also, if I quickly run Docker network list, so you can see that there is a some default networks that Docker provides, and there is therefore the project, like IMDF project here. If we check the last digits here, yeah, numbers, characters. So yeah, they are the same. So this is this custom bridge network for the project. And so I just need to modify the interface in my case. Well, it was already added, obviously. I just commented out to show you the problem. But yeah, as you can see, I use same Docker's same zone named Docker, but interface is BR and like bridge. And here I use wildcard, so like BR dash and then whatever. So the same rules will be applied for all the interfaces with a similar name. So I don't need to every single time add an extra network if I would use like the actual name of the network and the interface. Okay, so let's uncomment it. Let's save it. And if I run Shorewall start, okay, let's check. Okay. Oh yeah, see, it's working straight away. So yeah, now I can access it, so it's working. And just in case, let me quickly show you the rest of the settings, like zones file. So I just have this from a previous video, the setup of the Shorewall. So you can add, so I added this zone, like doc, small change, and also, yeah, interface is already checked, and the policy. So if you check the policy just states the Docker all accept. And that's how you give the access to the internet for the Docker containers. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. Now it's working. Just in case, maybe find it useful how to add the wildcard to your Shorewall configuration. See you guys.